Hi Aquarius, this is your career reading for the time period of August 20th to the September 20th. This is a 1 month period of time in which how you will be performing in your job, money, career, finance. What is your economy looking like? I'm going to see that. This is for the sun sign or the rising sign of Aquarius. So, what's important in this time period in terms of your economy is the world and the death is occurring. So world and the death means that a completion is taking place in your life, an upgrade is taking place, a transformation has happened. So what is this transformation? This is a transformation or a an end of a habitual cycle. So what is your habitual cycle in work or professionalism? You have this habit of working too much. You uh, you have this habit of completing your tasks even if you are feeling exhausted. So in this time period, the things that even if something is difficult, you would say yes. So this situation, this ending of this cycle is happening. You are going to make a judgment in your career, money, job situation, and you are going to have a judgment over the devil. So the devil could be that too much overwork, over ambition, too many things on your plate, but still doing that. This time you will say no to things. So there is a big change happening in your career situation, job situation, money situation, whatever may be the circumstance on your mind. You are going to say no to things which do not seem correct to you. It could be corruption, getting influenced by corrupt people. It could be money or too much ambition. It could be greed of some kind, codependency in your job. This time you are going to change that. You are going to change that, end that cycle, upgrade into a new situation. This could have happened because of overwork, stress, burning out, or some kind of bad health situation. So now you will be saying no to things that are not correct. Maybe a new job is here, new environment is here with two of cups, new beginning is happening. You could have taken advice, you could have gotten some kind of advice in this time period which is telling you to transform in terms of your work method, in terms of your money making method, and you are going to say no to things that pull you down, that keep you in a mess, that keeps you in some kind of lower energies. So realistic judgment will happen, favorable intervention by the universe has happened, which is going to let you complete a cycle that was not good for you. So a transformation in economy and upgrades are happening. A disadvantageous situation, a situation of disagreement, problems is ending in this time period, and it is coming in with the Empress and the Justice card. So Empress and the Justice means that definite growth is coming in. You will be nurturing, caring yourself, self love, self you'll be looking after yourself. You are going to improve your work method. You are going to be more cautious regarding growing organically in this time period. So you will be leaving the greed, the corruption, the problems that used to create mess in your life. You are going to leave all that, and you are going to grow organically. Wealth wise, this is a good situation. Health wise, Empress says that it will be a good situation, and with the Justice card you will come back to your health, you will come back to your wealth, and good situations, promotions for some of you is coming. Promotions are coming, sorry, and there could be circumstances that will give you opportunities that you will grab. Name, fame, recognition, mastery over subjects, and a balance in your life is coming back. What you deserve will be given to you, success will be coming to you, growth in your luxury asset, your name and fame is coming in. So there could be a situation of the world as well. Foreign situations could be attracting you, travel could be attracting you in this time period. You could be quitting one place and going towards another place. Unexpected movements are happening in this time period. Relocation can happen with the world card and the wheel of fortune. Destined relocation for some of you, destined travel for some of you, change in circumstances, lucky chances are coming in. So acceptance of life situations, changing situations which come to you unexpectedly, and you will be taking it with your heart. The King of Cups energy is telling me that love and putting your heart in matters of money will be there in this time period. Lucky chances are definitely coming with 2 or 3 wheel of fortune in your reading, and the world, 2 world cards, 2 fortune cards for you. This is positive, this is very positive. Ace of Cups is telling me whatever crisis that you have gone through, the sudden changes that have occurred for you, total endings that have occurred for you, is bringing in new sensation, new feelings. So all is positive because Judgment card is there. This will bring in positive energies in your economy. So positive changes, growth, new chances are coming in for you. And with the Chariot and the Fool card, you will be taking unexpected risk, moving towards unexpected destination, travels, foreign travels, or transfers that are coming in that you are going to embrace. New chances will be embraced. Leap of faith will be taken. Something will be ended, and a new situation will start. With focus, with willpower, new journey towards triumph will start. So Ace of Swords is telling me that there was a chaos, and then victory in chaos is happening with clarity. You will have some kind of epiphany in this time period. Like I told you, you will be saying no to things and moving towards things that will give you happiness in your work, happiness, or name and fame or recognition in your work. So you will be moving towards that, and you know it very well that it is a double-edged sword. The clarity is coming here, but you are ready to embrace that. So a journey will take place in this time period. Definitely something is becoming official, or you will have to follow official guidance in this time period. Counseling through doctors, lawyers, investors is happening in this time period. Some of you have gone through bad health in your own health situation, close person's health situation, or bad health in your economy. You will be taking advice to improve it. Strict guidance will be followed. Official, you could be an official who wears a uniform, or you'll be dealing with officials in this time period, or strict rule regimen in this time period. Someone could be around you ensuring your routine, your checking your health all the time. You'll be going on a journey definitely in this time period. Occupation will be very important. Your skill will be enhanced in this time period, and you will judge your situation very, very favorably. People will judge you favorably, and you will be termed as a professional. And the old situation is ending in this time period, and you got to end those things that used to cause you trouble or disadvantage. Courtship or casual connections will be ended in this time period. That is what I am seeing. Or if you are doing casual connections, that will be for your growth. So that is what I see. So positive situations will come to you. You will say no to negative things or negative things that used to pull you down in your economy. Maybe overwork for many of you that was draining you. So 16 number card, the stars card, is coming to you. Good business numbers, encouraging results. Think positive. Optimism will halve your problem. The key event of the month concerns feelings. You have found the right strategy now, and results are constantly getting better. in invitation gifts and pleasant moments shared with loved ones. Luck will be shining on your side. Take a break, enjoy it. You have attained excellent results in your work and you want to maintain the achieved level. You are involved in an exhausting but deserving business deal. Unexpected change of environment will open up new perspective. A sudden stroke of luck, complete success can come to you, which will take you even higher. In terms of money, you have made an excellent investment that has given you confidence. You are carrying out very lucrative transactions. A win or an inheritance will top up your account. The investment you are thinking of will be destined to succeed. So this is what I have for you. Prosperous time coming to you, changes for the better coming to you, Aquarius. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So write to me through the email ID in the description box. Say super thanks. Write your comment and endorse my channel through your by subscribing or by taking membership. Thank you so much. Bye bye.